Contusion treatment for acute stage symptoms. The acute stage starts the moment an injury occurs and lasts until the swelling and inflammation are gone. The swelling is the result of the blockage of blood, tissue fluids, and circulation in the injured area because their normal movement has been disrupted by the force of the injury. Just like cars back up behind a traffic jam causing congestion, exhaust, and overheating, blood and fluids back up behind the injured area, causing pain, inflammation, lumps, and swelling. During the acute stage, it is very important to restore normal circulation to the injured area, break up clotted blood and stagnant fluids, reduce swelling, and reduce the redness and heat associated with inflammation. By restoring the flow of blood, fluids, and circulation in the injured area, then pain is relieved, damaged tissues can regenerate with healthy functional tissue, and the area can strengthen and regain its mobility. Apply the Sinew Herbal Ice on your contusion to reduce redness, swelling, and inflammation while dispersing accumulated blood and fluids to help restore normal circulation to the injured area. This first aid treatment is used in place of ice to significantly speed up the healing process. It reduces the swelling and inflammation more effectively than ice, allowing you to more quickly regain range of motion. Ice is not recommended because it does not help repair damaged tissues and keeps everything in the injured area frozen, causing the stagnation of blood and fluids and the contraction of muscles, tendons, and ligaments. In Chinese sports medicine, ice is not used and is considered a culprit in injuries that don't heal well. Massage your contusion with acute sinew liniment to relieve pain, reduce swelling and inflammation, break up clotted blood and stagnant fluids, and stimulate circulation of blood and fluids to help cells quickly repair damaged tissues. The Sinew Sports Massage Oil is recommended for use before and after exercise, sports, and strenuous activity. It warms and stimulates your muscles, increases circulation and relieves tightness, hence improving your performance and helping to prevent injury. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. To learn more, visit sinewtherapeutics.com.